just how easy is it to take the top off your Jeep when you got a Rhino-Rack installed? What do you think?
We'll see.
It's not gonna be great.
Comes in quick, no warning signs. The lightning strikes from white skies. The things I hope are waterproof are tested as she rains through my roof. All I can do is wait for it to pass down and hope to last.
First thing, you gotta undo all the locking mechanisms so you can reach where you put in your Allen wrench.
Wrong one. Let's take the video off.
Each side has 3. Next, you take your shallow Allen keys, which is a number 5, and you take off all of the little Allen bolts where the backbone and the rack connect. In our case, you need to use an 18mm socket to take off the hook road platform that we have installed that goes underneath the backbone system. Inside the Jeep, you take a Torx 50 and remove all of those holes, all of those bolts out of those holes, and then it should lift right up as long as it's not too heavy.
Taking off the Rhino-Rack.
Yeah, brother, it's back here. Last but not least, there you go. You got bolts right up top in case you don't know. Take those out too. And then after that, it's pretty simple to just pick it up and carry it. We have 3 people here helping and it took us about 15 minutes to do. We also had that platform, plus the backbone system, plus the rack. So for us, it takes a little bit more time, but it's still relatively easy, all things considered. You also have to take out these bolts, which is also a Torx 50, because that connects the rack to the hardtop. Okay. $15 minutes?
3 people?
And she's off. It's so bright. It's so nice here today. So if this video was helpful and you like this video,
Thumbs up.
feel free to subscribe to the channel so you can see some more stuff like this and probably a little bit more complex than this, but I hope it was helpful. Thanks.